Hey, it's Maddie Green, and I'm going to teach you how to make a latte on your Breville Barista Express Impress espresso machine. I got mine from Facebook Marketplace for $400 a couple months ago, and I'll show you what I've learned. I'm always looking to learn new things and get better, so let's watch the video together, and maybe you'll learn something new. Or what not to do with milk foam. I broke my little candle the other day. That's okay. So I originally purchased this machine on Facebook Marketplace in like September. These are the old beans. I just tap it out right here. Boom. It's been really fun learning the whole process, how to make these drinks be good. Because trust me, it is a process. First things first, you want to start out with good beans. This is going to make or break your espresso shot. My personal favorite is figure 8 beans, but for today I have my tried and true Summer Moon. You're always going to want to look at the roast date. You're always going to want to look at the roast date. These were literally like a week and a half ago, which is perfect. If you don't have a food scale yet, you're going to want to get one because they have a grinder here that can do automatic pulls, but it is not the same and not as accurate and not as good. My scale says low battery, so one sec. Oh shoot, I don't own any batteries. Well, we're just gonna do this off of memory then. You're supposed to get 18 grams, which is, that's too much. I'm doing this based off of memory, so we'll see how it goes. But when you do have a food scale, this should say 18 grams. And I can normally tell how much it is. Let's see. I do know it's not more than this. Okay, so maybe there. That's probably about 18. So next thing you're going to do is pour the beans into the hopper. I think that's what it's called. Boom! And yeah, if you keep all of your beans in here, it's just not going to taste as good. There is an auto button, but I have mine turned on to manual, and I have the time set perfectly. So just let it do its thing. This machine comes with a tamper. If you have the Breville Barista Express, not the Impress version, you'll just take your tamp and tamp it. So normally when I do my beans, it's actually the little smiley face. So I'm just gonna add a few more since I didn't scale it to exactly 18 grams. Boom, shakalaka. Insert it here, and you're gonna hit the double shot button. And normally I weigh this because you wanna get 36 grams out in 30 seconds, but it's dead, so we'll leave it here. Looking good. Beautiful. Once the shot is done, you kind of want to swirl it around. You don't want it to sit for too long. Oh, I almost forgot the best part. I like to put in my homemade syrup. This is my homemade vanilla syrup. It's combo water, sugar, vanilla. Just put a little in, not too much. Next up, we're gonna steam the milk. You're going to want to fill it to how much milk you like. A standard latte is 8 ounces of milk, but I kind of like a more like almost flat white ratio. It's like 4 to 6 ounces of milk. I don't like it too milky. Here comes the fun part. We're gonna steam your milk. Turn this to turn it on. Get your coffee puck out. Wait for it to warm up. Then you're going to once you get enough air bubbles, you're going to tilt it so it starts making that whirlwind like that. You want to steam your milk until you can't hold it for about 3 seconds. Ooh, hot. And normally you'll want to wipe it. Next, let's do the fun part, We're just making some latte art. First things first. Always works best if you have a smaller cup with a wider base. Attempt some latte art, y'all. First things first, we pour the shot. Tap, 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 tap. And you're going to want to tilt it like this. Pour a little in. By the way, I'm not an expert. I'm just kind of winging this. And then you can make some latte art. This is mostly foam because I added too much air, but you get the point. Ooh, ah. Taste test. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.